Hello, my name is Tess. You may have clicked on this link today because perhaps you're interested and curious about energy healing and may want to try it for yourself. Some believe that energy healing is all mystical and very woo-woo, but in fact, it is more readily acceptable today as a form of therapy. So I'm here today to demystify that process of energy healing and share a little more with you on what it's all about, so you can have a better understanding and make an informed decision should you choose to have one. Energy healing, or as some call it, energy medicine, is based on the fact that quantum physics teaches us that there is no difference between energy and matter. All systems in your human being, from your atomic to your molecular level, are constantly in a motion of creating resonance. This resonance is important to understanding how those subtle energies direct and maintain the health and wellness in your human body. Your energy system consists of an electromagnetic field of light around your body, which some know as an aura. There are the main energy points that run along your spine, from the top of your head to the base of your spine, which are also known as chakras. There are the nadis that run through your energy field, which are responsible for transporting energy to different areas of the body through the endocrine system and the blood. And then there is the main power current that runs around your spine, known as the Sushumna, or the main current, with the male and female nadis sitting along the side. Then there's another 149 points in the body where energy flows through, such as your knees, the tops of your feet, the palms of your hands, even on the tops of your shoulders. An energy healer is trained to open the channels in their palm chakras to transfer universal life force frequencies into the body's energy system. Energy healing is a very gentle, non-evasive technique that restores harmony, energy, and balance within the human field. By channeling the universal life force energy into it. I have trained and practiced in energy healing for 21 years, which involves stimulating those energy circuits that I've just mentioned to help facilitate its natural healing mechanism. This holistic therapy is excellent in assisting the healing process of the person by unblocking the energy fields and preventing future problems by identifying issues before they manifest as pain in the physical body. Addressing the energy in the body helps in promoting better health, a rebalance, or emotional alignment and greater clarity. So what does all of this mean, and why would you get an energy healing? I'd like to offer you a simple example in case. Let's say that you have been wounded or betrayed in love, and now you're finding it very difficult to let anybody in, and you are highly guarded, and you find it extremely difficult to trust others. Your nervous system's autonomic function would simply go into a fight or flight mode whenever somebody tries to get close to you. And this stagnates the energy points in the body that is relevant to letting love in. Letting love in is associated to the heart chakra in the chest area. And the other area, which is relevant to trust and survival in relationships, is associated with the base chakra at the tailbone. So you don't consciously know that this energy is becoming stagnant in flow. It's happening because it's automatic. You're just aware that your behavior has changed and that you feel a certain way. If over a long period of time you do not resolve this issue, it can eventuate as a physical illness in those areas of the body, or affect the relevant organs that are associated with those chakras. If you were to receive an energy healing in this instance, the base and heart chakras would feel very slow and stagnant to the healer, and these would be the areas that the healer would work on to facilitate the removal of those blockages or that stagnant energy. This would then allow the energy in those areas to flow much better, and this can also cause a change in your attitude and behavior and give you peace of mind and a calmer emotions. You might not be in such fight or flight responses when love then comes your way or when someone tries to get close to you. Therefore, energy healing can be performed for so many different issues, ailments, and challenges because it works on the mind, the emotions, the body, and the spirit. The process of transferring pure positive energy frequencies to another person can bring about so many benefits on your physical being, your mental being, your emotional being, and your spiritual self also, because simply you are not just a being of matter, you are a multi-dimensional being. Some examples of benefits could be on your physical, for instance, helping in treating ailments, repairing skeletal or muscular injuries. It can restore the balance to the body's basic systems. It can promote overall wellness and improved immunity. For your mental being, it can help release internal roadblocks. It can help develop a success mentality. It can also help with letting go of old feelings such as regret and guilt that have held you back. It helps with conquering fears or building confidence, and it also helps to develop a positive mindset. For your emotional well-being, energetic healing can ease the pain that's been brought on by depression, and it can bring joy into your everyday life. It can release anxiety and replace it with calmness and confidence. It soothes anger and leads towards understanding and compassion, and it can also relieve long-held sadness in the body. Then for your spiritual self, it can give a sense of purpose and meaning in life. Energetic healing encourages natural intuition and uses it as a guide to good directions. It can help you gain insights, and it can also help harness unseen connection to all the people in your life as well. So what happens before, during, and after an energy healing with me? Preparation for energy healing is a very important foundation for a successful healing experience. It's important that you and myself are very relaxed and grounded, and that this work is done prior to placing you through an energy healing. So I like to sit with you first to discuss with you about what your needs are, to have a chat about your reasons for wanting a healing, and then through that discussion, a special healing program is organised that is uniquely catered to you personally. After our discussion, you are then invited to the healing treatment table, where you will be comfortably positioned, generally laying on your back or on your side, fully clothed, and you will be covered with a light blanket. The reason for this is because your body temperature drops a little bit during a healing, so it's important that you feel comfortable and warm whilst laying there and receiving those healing energies. Some breathing techniques to begin with might be encouraged, such as a few minutes of deep inner and outer breaths with gentle, relaxing music in the background, just to help quieten the mind and let go of unnecessary thoughts. There is no talking between myself and a client during the healing session. You are just encouraged to let yourself go deep into relaxation. And during the healing session itself, I set the intention to serve your highest good and to work with those issues that you have presented. As an energy healer, I simply act as a conduit through which the universal life force flows to your energy system, it is important to say that I am not the main source of the life force. I am simply the conduit, just like a power point is for electricity. Energy is transferred and channeled from my palm chakras and positioned above the body in certain areas. The only touch that you experience may be in the beginning and at the end at your feet, as well as around your head area, or possibly throughout the session, just to keep that connection with you, my hand might be on your knees. Many of my clients have reported having visions during a dream state type experience and seeing lots of different things like that during that healing. There might also be muscle twitches in the arm or leg, which I believe is the body's response to energy unblocking in the body and the energy starting to flow through. Many of my clients have come away from the treatment table feeling very relaxed and calm with just no mental chatter at all. It's a very safe and gentle modality to receive, and that's regardless of age, issue, or health condition. After the healing is received, I generally like to have a chat with you about the work that was done and what was experienced. So a consultation beforehand, then the healing goes for an hour and a chat afterwards. This could result in a 1.5 to 2 hour session. If you would like to experience an energy healing with me, you can contact me through my Soul Haven Healing website to arrange an appointment, or firstly, to have a chat with me. I'd be very happy to chat with you about what your requirements and needs may be prior to a booking. Feel free to do so. Thank you and blessings.